Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the environment right. Log into Spotify on a browser or app and make sure VPNs are off because Spotify reads your IP. Once done, enable device location services so the app can detect your region and confirm whether you're on free or premium because rules differ. Next, check your current payment address and account settings. You may need a local payment method to set a new country. Do these checks now before changing anything. Now perform the actual change. Open your Spotify account page in a browser and choose Edit Profile. On mobile, open Settings then Account. If the country field is editable, pick your new country and save. If not, go to Subscription and add a local payment method with a matching billing address. Spotify often requires that to lock in a new country. Make sure the billing country matches the country you selected so the system accepts the update. Finish by restarting the app and confirming changes. Check pricing currency, region-specific playlists, or availability of local content to ensure Spotify recognized your new location. If it didn't update, clear the app cache, fully log out, disable any VPN or proxy, and try again. Sometimes waiting 24 hours helps if IP geolocation needs to refresh. If you still can't change the country, verify your payment details match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.